Okay, so today we will learn about a nice command. So nice command you're using to you can do a modification your scheduling priority. So nice command, the syntax is you need to use a nice command, and hyphen n is the arguments which you can change your values here, niceness values. So values range is from minus 20. So minus 20 is the highest priority. Here little bit it is looking awkward, but this is the highest priority. Minus is the highest priority here. And 19 positive 19 is the least priority. Least priority. Okay. And 10 is the default. Default is a 10. So default, if you are using a nice command, so by default, so by default 10 is the, suppose if you are not giving any value, so by default it will take 10. Okay, so let's go for understanding now. So let's take example. We will run this message. Okay, so we'll run this command. Okay, so we are giving the priority here 15. So let me give the priority here. I have given a priority. So let us cross verify how we can uh, so we can check through a ps command. So there it will show your priority. So, and if you suppose if you want to change again the priority modification, then we need to use a renice command and process id. So first let's learn about a nice command. It's taking the time to. Okay, so let us check ps hyphen le current processes. Right now I'm checking a current process grep hyphen a tail command we have used. Okay, so now you can see this is it is a nice priority. Okay, and let me use a same, and I will not grab anything, just let me use a head only. So here you will see this column is for using for a nice, and I means nice. So here you will see these having a highest priority. Suppose now you want to change the priority minus 20. So how we can change it? First we know about your PID. So the what is your process ID? So process ID is this one. This is a process ID. We know about the process ID, and we need to use a renice command. Renice same things hyphen n. Now I want to give a minus 20 highest priority, and let me give the process ID here, and let me run. Okay, so now you can see successfully priority has been changed. It's showing us a message as here the new priority is. So let us verify also with the same things we can verify here now. Okay, now you can see it has been changed from 19 to 20. Okay, so it is changed here. Okay, okay, so that is the purpose of nice command. So what happened? What is the priority? What does mean by priority? Suppose it will left all the work and started to work on the specific task. Okay, so which we have defined like a priorities. So these are so let me show you the example. I have created the notes here. Okay, so like that you can change, and this is a nice command example. So you can change the priority. Okay, so and if you want to see your customization, so you can use a ps hyphen e. E means current process, O means your user defined format, and here you can use for a nice, it will show here. Okay, so here if you want to use your customized format, you can use like that also. So either you can use a ps space hyphen le, or either you can use your user defined format. So here we have changed it, really nice value. Okay. Okay, so and